Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the assistant professor associate as well as the professor vacancies notification from the 4 different colleges guys, and out of this one is autonomous college. So here there is opportunity for the candidates who is having only post graduation without UGC NET or PhD, and the opportunity is also there for the UGC NET as well as the PhD candidates. Okay. So before going into the details regarding this one, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one is Imayam College of Engineering from Kananur, so Trichy, and here the wanted professors, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there. So in the departments of Civil CSC, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, English, Maths and Physics and Chemistry. So qualifications and experience as per the AICTE norms. So if you don't have the UGC NET or PhD, then you may apply for the assistant professor category under these vacancies guys. So apart from this one, few non-teaching vacancies are also there. They are the placement officer, physical director, trainers, accountant, lab technician, warden and office assistant, system admin, driver, sports coach as well as a estate officer. So whoever the candidates are interested and eligible in this one, you may send your resume to the provide mail ID, that is jobs@gmail.com on or before 20th April 2021. Okay, so it is one college vacancy guys. So utilize this opportunity, the candidates who belongs to these departments with only PG also. And coming to the next one, the next college is Shyamalata College it is. So in this one, here the principal is required and the assistant professor vacancies are there for the English, political science and sociology, commerce, chemistry, zoology, maths, computer science, physics, botany, and librarian is also required, and physical education. So qualifications as per the UGC regulations and the government of Maharashtra rules guys. And coming to the post of principal, PhD is mandatory. And coming to the associate professor and professor with total experience of 15. And coming to the assistant professor qualification, good academic record with at least 55% of marks. Okay, and apart from this one, the candidate must have the NET, SLET or the PhD. Right? So that means in this college, the vacancies are for the candidates who are having the post graduation with UGC NET qualification guys. So all the interested candidates may put your application on a plain paper, mentioning your complete biodata along with the copies of certificates and testimonials. So this one should reach the principal, office of the principal, within 15 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. Fine. So these are the details regarding this one guys, and the complete address is also there here. So whatever the documents that you need to send, that you have to send to this one within the 15 days. So the interested and eligible candidates, you may send right now guys, so without wasting your time. And here there is no putting the application form or else sending the CV through your mail ID. You have to send the hard copies only. Fine. So it is a one notification. And coming to the next one is it is IITM, Institute of Information Technology and Management. So in this one, the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are required in departments of management and the computer science and commerce guys. Okay, and the qualifications are as per the AICTE and the UGC norms. So for assistant professor, NET qualified or the PhD holder with minimum 3 years of teaching experience is required. So this vacancies is also only for the candidates who are having the UGC NET qualification in the mentioned departments. And the interested candidates has to apply with full details by April 26, 2021 to the director, and the address is mentioned here. So email ID is also mentioned here. Fine. So these are the details regarding this college. And coming to the fourth college is Autonomous College, and it is affiliated to the Anna University. So Savita Engineering College, and in this one, the huge number of non-teaching vacancies and the teaching vacancies are there. So you may check down here. So core departments in the agriculture, A and DS, biomedical, civil, CSC, ECE, EEE, EIE and IT, mechanical and medical electronics, chemical and MBA. And coming to the science and humanities, art, theatre, economics, foreign languages, philosophy, psychology, IELTS and BEC trainers are also required here. Fine. So a few more other vacancies are also there from this autonomous college. So if you are interested in this one, then here click on the apply now. Okay, then you have to fill up the details. That means here it is a Google form. So whatever the details are asking here, so you have to fill up these details. So here the different positions, vacancies are there. So please select as per your qualification, guys. Okay. So these are the details regarding the 4 different colleges. So whatever the subject and whatever the institute you are interested, so try to apply to that one. And if you are having any queries, then put your query in the comment section, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and who are searching for the faculty job vacancies. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide